Sounds of Brazil, the legendary Sounds of Brazil. December Army is going to be performing tonight. It's going to be a hot set. So I guess.
Yeah, as usual, masaya and get to meet a lot of people, friends. Pero syempre nakakamiss din sa bahay. Masaya kami because for the past 3 years na nakakulong kami sa bayan, finally kalabas kami. So, ayun. Masaya. I got the chance to perform live again. For second time to be here sa SOB. And thank you so much for your support, especially sa OPM. Not just sa December out, but sa all of OPM. So, of course, we owe this to you. Kung walang nakikinig sa amin, kung walang tickets namin, we won't be here making music. So, yeah, para sa inyo lahat to, and thank you so much.
Isang himala